guys, just going to show you how to install the DIY window screen mesh to stop spiders and mosquitoes and insects coming in. So the first thing we need to do is clean our window and the frame. Next we need to stick the self-adhesive circle thingies, one on each corner of the frame. We want to grab our self-adhesive roll tape and stick it around the rest of the space of the frame. I found it much easier to measure out the tape first, cut it and then stick it on. We're going to do this around the whole of the frame. And this is what it should look like. The next step is to get our net and stick it along the tape. The tape itself has these prickly little hooks which help the net to stick on the tape. So we just want to, as neatly as possible without not too many folds, just press it along the whole of the frame. The last step is to cut off the excess net, and hopefully you can do this a lot more neatly than what I'm doing. If you have got wobbly hands like me, it's fine. You can always go back in and have another go and try and make it a bit more neat. So I'm just going to quickly show you how it works. So if you want to open the window, just gently remove the net from the bottom, open the window, and then when you have the window open, always close it from the bottom. So press down on the net and that will seal the window for you, and no mosquitoes or flies or insects can come in that way. And then if you want to close it, obviously just open the net from the bottom and then close the window, and that's it.